Hi, I'm Emily and today I'm going to explain the top 5 mistakes made on social media. Number 1 is not knowing your audience. This is bad because if you don't know your audience, you don't know what they're going to like, so you could start just posting anything which is either completely unrelated to your business, your brand, or just something that they're not interested in at all. The mistake number 2 is having fake followers. This is bad because your level of engagement won't match up to your number of followers, which people are quite aware of these days. Some people still do it, but I think it used to be a bigger thing a few years ago, but people kind of got wise to the idea of it happening and don't actually like it from some business because it's distrustful. Just don't buy followers. Mistake number 3 is dealing with negative feedback in the wrong way. So a lot of businesses struggle to remain professional while dealing with negative complaints. So some people either ignore it or just lose all professionalism, both which are bad. Ignoring negative comments is potentially worse. You should always try to resolve any issues any of your customers have, no matter how unfair or rude they may seem to you. Mistake number 4 is content spamming, which is just constantly providing content one after one, which frankly can get quite annoying for your followers. It often leads to them unfollowing or just disengaging completely with all your content, even if there is something which might be important to them. They've already lost interest in your social media platforms and potentially your business as a whole, just because of you pushing out too much content. So the last mistake is not using analytics. This is more of a missed opportunity rather than an actual negative, as it means you're not seeing what posts are doing the best, so you don't know what to provide more of, what your customers like, what your followers like. So you miss the opportunity to grow your social media platforms even more and increase engagement further. And that's the top 5 social media mistakes